Appreciate you.
Ooh, now chow.
Exactly.
What is this?
It's a Clio bar, so it's like Greek yogurt on the inside, chocolate on the outside.
Merci. Thank you. Free sample.
Time to give it up one more time for Laura Hyman. Please stop by the Yoga Village on Broadway between 43rd and 45th Streets before you leave today. Make sure to grab an ice cold, refreshing can of Celsius to keep you energized all solstice long. Made with zero sugar and better-for-you ingredients, Celsius Essential Energy is the perfect pre or post-yoga pick-me-up. And spread the good karma by donating to the Alliance's Outreach Services program to help vulnerable people living in Times Square. Through our trust-building efforts, we work towards connecting individuals in crisis to the social services they need. No donation is too big or small. Visit tsq.org/donate today. Join the conversation using hashtag SolsticeTSQ and tag @Times Square NYC. The Times Square Alliance hopes to see everyone next year for the 23rd annual Solstice in Times Square Mind Over Madness Yoga.
problem.
Can we come back down? Yeah, very, very unaffordable, and especially relative to.
One. Patty cake. Hold that. Very good.
Bye-bye, ciao.
Thank you.
I got it, that's her feedback. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you. Ah. Oh, there's another one over there.
Oh,
And
can you get some water bottle?
Water bottle. Love your guts. Hi.
Wow.
Oh, I love kefir.
Yes.
Thank you. Can I have two?
Get some. Wait.
Thank you. Got two. Yay, freebies everywhere. Hey.
Hey,
Hey, how are you?
Who is this? I don't know. I didn't tell them coming, but
Hey.
they coming. You know, they got.
Hey.
No, y'all already know about them.
Matua. What are we gonna get here? Oh, there's a line here. Nice here. Your phone. Oh no.
I got nothing to do but walk around the map. I don't want to be walking around. I've already known work.
These out, ladies and gentlemen. Miss?
And last, whenever they send out questions, I forgot to sign up. I did everything, but I guess I forgot to. And then I go, I don't know, like, this book, a couple of days ago.
Hi. It's another one. What is that? Oh, keychain. I'll get a keychain. Thank you.
You're always not happy.
Thank you.
Because there's multiple activities going
I know
on.
how
Sixth row, seventh row. Great back, folks.
I have a whole new appreciation for you.
Welcome. Yoga right over here. Solstice. Solstice yoga right this way, y'all. Head back to my friend Sophie. She'll help you out.